We have cooked asparagus, and now we're just cooking. Actually, it's blanching young cabbage, onions, carrots, and zucchini. So we're leaving all the veggies to set and to cool down. Rice is steaming. It's gonna be with rice and chicken. Chicken is cooking. Added some rice, and now we'll add all the veggies. And basically that's it. I just added some salt and some spices, and that's it. It's a tasty with olive oil, of course. It's a tasty meal with chicken, zucchini, onions, vegetables, asparagus and stuff. So yeah, tasty, fast and cheap.